Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds. It is from a company called DIGDIY and it is model D10. We already know there are some little spelling mistakes. You don't have to point it out anymore, but this is phenomenal earbuds. It has nice bass and also it will last you a little bit longer than the other ones, and it does have some little resemblance to the EarPods. So let's go through, check it out to see what exactly is involved in this and what it will bring on the table for us. And do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. Don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly and a little more detail every time. You can see that the box is really nicely designed, very nice calm color. The picture's in the front, and once we slowly open the box and we take everything slowly out one by one, and here is all the components that are part of this box. It comes with this little package, and once you open it, inside of it you will find this little envelope. It comes with this Eartips. Now this is placed for you, so if the ones that you have on your earbuds are smaller or bigger, you can replace them. Also, if it wears out, you can replace them with these before you purchase the other ones from online. It comes with these charging wire. One side is USB Type-C and the other side is USB 2.0, so you can charge your docking station very quickly, and the wire is not that long. It also comes with this quick operation guide and the actual user manual for your earbuds. This will cover a lot of things in this step by step, and here is the best part, the actual docking station. It looks really cool the way that it designed it. You can see the name is written nicely. Right underneath of it you have 4 little lights. It will show by 25% how much charge it has, and then going on the bottom part of it is you're going to find the actual charging part, which is USB Type-C. Then you have a little part you can switch it, and in this way will change from the actual wire charge to wireless charge. Yes, this comes with wireless charge. We will show you in a few seconds, but going on the top you have a nice cut, so this way when you're opening it with the hinge in the back and how it will open. And here you go. This is how it looks when you open it. This is the first time we're opening this, and then we're going to test it, and within a few days we will bring the video to show exactly how this works. But here's the earbuds. You can take it out. It looks really similar to the actual EarPods, but here you go. This is really cool the way that they have designed it. So inside of it you will find everything that you need, and right inside of it you will see the little connection, so that way it will get charged. Now going on the top part of it is the part that it tells you a little information about it right over here, and then inside of it also has some little writings, and the way that they have designed it is pretty cool. So we will put this aside and we will go to the actual earbuds, so we will show you exactly how this is. So when you get it for very first time, there is a little plastic that you got to take out on both ears, so this way it gets enabled so you can get it charged and more, and the sensors, everything, it should become visible. So here is the actual earbuds, how it looks. I really like that design, and also name of the company at the bottom of it, and then you have the little connection right there. That part is a mic, and then you also have one of them is going to be LED, so we'll blink. We will show you that too. But going around there is a little sensor, and also the bottom part of it is going to be the part that it will grab the charge from your actual docking station, the ear tip itself, and then the inside of it is the actual speaker. It looks really cool. It looks very slick. So let's see exactly how sensitive they are. We will test it in a few seconds. Now what I really like is that when you look right here, you have a little indicator if this is right or left. Now same thing goes for the left ear. You can see that little writing right there. Now when you flip it, you also have the LED indicator and also your mic that shows pretty cool, and also the name is written really nicely. But the design is really similar to the Apple Ear part. The only part is that these parts are designed better, so it will fit inside of your ear better, and you're going to get a lot of voice properly in it. What I also noticed that this is sweat-proof, so you can wear this when you're going for working out or running outside, or if you want to sit somewhere and listen to some calm music, this will really help you out. Here's the actual docking station, and the docking station also, when you open it, you will see that the light comes on. That means right now that we have 75% charge available to this. And then once you put the actual earbuds inside of it, you can see that you cannot put the wrong one in. You have to put it properly. There you go. And now you can see when it's charging, the little lights are lit. This is how you know that this earbud is charged. And now when you close it, you're going to see the lights in the bottom turning on. And right now I only have is 50% and the 75% button is just blinking. So let's go through, put this on a charge and then test it out through the day to see how good this is. Now when you place it on the wireless charger, you have to remember to press the button in order to get it enabled so it can charge itself wirelessly. Now it's time to get this headphones paired with our phone. So for that we need to scroll down, go to our Bluetooth and make sure that it comes up. There you go. And then we're going to say pair. So that way it's searching. And then we're going to open up and take one of the earbuds out. And automatically it finds it very, very fast. So we need to click on it so that way it gets paired. And now it says pairing. So it takes a couple of seconds. You have to say pair. And it says connected. Now the good part is that as soon as it comes on, it will tell you exactly how much charge it has. So once it gets paired, let's go through and play something to it. Now as usual, we always go through to play one of these songs from YouTube itself, which has nice writings right on top that will tell you. And then we will try to see if we can switch. Do you see that? It just switched the song. There you go. So now when you press it twice, it should play. And when you press it again twice on the top, it should pause. That's how easy it is to play. There you go. And then pause a video directly on it. Now this will do the exactly same thing when you are going to play something on Spotify and more apps, which is a really cool thing. So this is one way to test it. Another thing we want to do is go into test to see how loud this will get. So you can see that this is very, very loud and it can get even louder. And now this is only from the earbuds. Now if I use another one, that is pretty cool that this earbud can handle this much noise. Now in this test, we will put both of these earbuds in our ear and then we're going to record our voice to show you exactly how good the sound will come when you are talking on the phone or when you're trying to take notes in a class. So the test begins now. And this is how it sounds when you're talking on the phone and how loud it will get when you're trying to listen to it on the other side. But the good part is that it also going to allow me to hear things when we're talking, which is the best part. So it kind of sounds goes back and forth from the actual mic back to the ear. So this way you can hear yourself too when you are trying to record this at the meantime, which I'm trying to process. But here you go. This is the test and we will stop it now. If you want to order this, all the links will be available in the bottom of this video. Except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.